Welcome to Craft Catalog. Imagine walking into your workshop and realizing that the pile of scrap wood you almost threw away could become your next favorite project. What most people see as waste is actually one of the most powerful resources a woodworker can have. Today we're exploring 30 budget-friendly DIY wood projects you can build using scrap materials, leftover boards, offcuts, and reclaimed wood. These projects are practical, creative, and designed to save money while improving your home, workshop, or even creating items you can sell. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced maker, scrap wood projects help you sharpen your skills without pressure or high costs. Let's start with the mindset. Scrap wood doesn't limit creativity. It enhances it. When material is limited, design becomes smarter. You learn to work with dimensions, grain, and imperfections instead of fighting them. That's where truly great ideas are born. Some of the simplest and most useful scrap wood projects are organizers. Small shelves, wall hooks, key holders, and mail organizers can all be made from short boards and narrow strips. These projects take very little time but instantly add function to your space. Picture frames are another perfect scrap project. Thin offcuts, mismatched wood tones, and layered pieces can create unique frames that look custom and expensive. No two frames ever look the same, which makes them perfect for gifts or decor. Next are small furniture accents. Side tables, stools, plant stands, and nightstands don't require large boards. Many modern designs are built from short lengths and simple joinery. A few scraps combined thoughtfully can become a statement piece. Workshop projects are where scrap wood truly shines. Tool holders, clamp racks, drill bit organizers, and sanding stations can all be built from leftovers. These projects don't just save money, they improve efficiency every time you work. If you're enjoying these ideas so far, subscribe to Craft Catalog for more woodworking inspiration, practical DIY projects, and creative ways to build smarter with what you already have. Home decor is another category where scrap wood works beautifully. Wall art, wooden signs, candle holders, and decorative panels allow for experimentation. Different textures, reclaimed surfaces, and layered designs create depth that new wood often lacks. Floating shelves made from scrap wood are both functional and stylish. Even narrow boards can support small plants, books, or decorative items. Mixing woods adds character and tells a story through the material. Storage projects are especially powerful when built from scraps. Drawer dividers, small bins, spice racks, and bathroom organizers don't require perfect boards. In fact, slight imperfections often add charm. Children's projects are also ideal for scrap wood. Simple toys, blocks, puzzles, and stools can be built safely and affordably. These projects are excellent for learning joinery and finishing techniques on a small scale. Outdoor projects are another great use for leftover wood. Birdhouses, planters, garden markers, and small benches can all be made from reclaimed or scrap material. When used outdoors, wood doesn't need to be flawless. Durability and creativity matter more. One of the most overlooked scrap projects is lighting. Wooden lamp bases, sconces, and pendant frames can be built using small pieces and simple designs. Paired with modern lighting, these projects look high-end with very low material cost. For those interested in selling handmade items, scrap wood projects are a smart entry point. Small products like trays, phone stands, cutting boards, and desk accessories use minimal material but offer strong value. Buyers love the idea of reclaimed or sustainable materials. The key to successful scrap wood projects is sorting. When scraps are organized by size and type, inspiration comes faster. Short boards, thin strips, and panels each suggest different kinds of projects. Finishing also matters. Sanding, oiling, staining, or lightly burning the surface can transform scrap wood into something that looks intentional and refined. A good finish elevates even the simplest build. Another advantage of scrap projects is speed. Many can be completed in an afternoon. That quick success builds confidence and momentum, especially for beginners. Scrap wood also encourages experimentation. You can try new joinery, shapes, or finishes without fear of wasting expensive material. Mistakes become lessons instead of losses. If this video is inspiring you to see scrap wood differently, take a moment to like and subscribe. New DIY wood projects and creative builds are shared regularly here on Craft Catalog. As you continue collecting scraps, remember this: Every piece of wood holds potential. The size doesn't matter as much as the idea. With the right design, even the smallest offcut can become something useful, beautiful, or profitable. By choosing budget-friendly DIY projects, you're not just saving money. You're reducing waste, improving skills, and creating with intention. That's what woodworking is truly about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next craft catalog video.